Gigo.
Salt concentrations. Today, we will look at the correct concentration of salt solution. If we examine the bottle, it has a carefully marked scale on the side. So, to adjust the concentration, you can pour salt up to the line indicated before adding water. Be careful not to make a mess when pouring the salt. Here we have filled to the 10 ml line. Next, we can add the water, slowly and carefully, all the way up to the top line. There is still some salt sitting at the bottom. What should we do? Make sure the lid is on tight. Give it a good shake till all the salt has been absorbed into the water. Now, we have a 10% saline solution.